This is Tornado. It's one of my really cool designs. It flies pretty well. It's pretty good looking. Doesn't have that much features, but it's pretty simple. It's good for beginners. Yeah, this is probably my easiest jet. All right, let's get started. So this is 6-inch foil paper. Get 6-inch metallic foil paper. This is the paper I usually use for origami. Let's get started. So I'm gonna fold the paper in half like this, and I'm gonna open it up and fold this to the crease. And I'm gonna unfold it and then fold this to the crease again. And then you're gonna flip it over, and then you're gonna see this crease. Fold this to the crease. Like this. Then flip it over, and then fold the plane in half. So here to here, and then you're gonna flip it over, and then fold this like that. And then you're gonna fold the other side. You should flip it over, and there should be a pocket right here. Alright, so flip it over. Then you're gonna grab this and fold it like that. And grab this and fold that to the center crease. Then you're gonna do the same thing as you did. You're gonna grab this and fold it like that. Then you're gonna grab this side and fold it like this. So the plane should be at a point like that, and then when you flip it over, it should be like that. Alright, you're gonna you see that crease right there? From that crease, you're gonna fold down like that. Then open it up, and then fold this up just like 1/2 centimeter above that. Then you're gonna do the other side, just 1/2 centimeter above that. And you're gonna fold these down. So get these, like put your finger in here, and then you're gonna push and jet fold. And bring up the wings like that. And you're gonna put down on the table, grab this and fold it up like that, and then fold the wing up. Then you're gonna do the same on the other side. Then you're gonna grab this, tuck it under the wing. Then you're gonna grab this and tuck it under the wing again. Just like that. And now it should look like this.